Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
In the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 4th day, voice of the People Party, who have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to the member of the House of the People, and that, in token thereof, I have granted to him the certificate of selection. Thank you.
Khlem siniru.
Take out this one.
Hi sini.
Second, look here. Yes, sir. Sir, look here.
Thank you.
Can we talk to the MP now?
Oh, yes. What? Come on.
Now we want to talk to the MP.
Okay, we'll take first picture. Come. Yo.
Pasini.
Very similar analysis. National parliamentary seat. Kaya jingieid yung pinangis mat ka jingkala ya kasan himasana.
Ningkong ya mo penpau jing skongo you play try kenrat kala long run karpat ni kum ka party adu kabangi sedang hi ko mengijukan kemungkinan lam jo ka party i sotho ba ka bor briu ngimla ibu ka jing shanya ho play patkum ki nangelam jo ka party rengkat bat kini ki be tray mo jo ka party ni don angata ko ba bangin tray shitom but like ihi hagi election campaign ke jongi ngila rong lot ki kentong kensrot agaban pensai pen sotho yu paidbah namar ka don kam tangata kom ka party ngi sotho bala dangi bangin let shu paidbah but pensai shu paidbah pun sotho ya kai ka politics but ka politics ka bakum no ka baga VPP ka don panterwa te kata ka bangin lai but kumni yu paidbah ula ai kata ka jing kershan ngi namar paidbah hi kumba i wa thrang ye ka jing kala pakane ka dekat tang ka jing sedang jong ka jing kala na ka bangi long menta shaka ek ka ba khambha kham janai
Saya kira nomor
restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party, and we will follow that vision.
Okay, and now VPP, of course, when it goes to the parliament, it is an individual party. It's not with any other party. So how will you? What will be your issues that you will be highlighting in the parliament? What are the key issues that you want to highlight immediately in the parliament?
Well, first of all, let us remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party, we sit and take a decision.
How do you see now? You will, of course, in Meghalaya there is not a presence of BJP, but in the center, BJP they have done really good, and they are forming a government. So how do you see BJP?
You said BJP is doing good, but actually they are not doing.
But they are forming government.
Whatever. Okay. Yes. Well, we have our own stand, and we will stick to our principles. Ya,